This year we have anniversary. It's 140 years of Ukrainian feminism. And as it was 100 years ago, now feminism is important for Ukrainian social and political life and also for our defense.
It's very important for Ukrainian scientists and for Ukrainian women in this terrible, difficult period in Ukrainian history to participate in such important and very powerful projects. The war in Ukraine makes men and their roles in Ukrainian society more visible. So our participation in scientific projects, in research projects is very important and exciting for us as for women, and also for us as for part of Ukrainian society.
Women are a very important part of Ukrainian volunteer movement and of Ukrainian democratic tradition. We keep our values for quite a long time, and even in this difficult time we still manage to do it. And feminism is what empowers women to proceed.